As a social media influencer, I've noticed something that's becoming impossible to ignore. My audience is growing, but my visibility is shrinking. The platforms are more crowded than ever. Even my best content gets buried under other people's endless posts and ads. I put so much effort into creating content that really matters, but my followers still miss updates, announcements, and new posts. It's like the algorithm decides whether I succeed or disappear. I'm constantly trying to beat the system, but the rules keep changing and my engagement keeps dropping. It feels like I'm working harder than ever and still not being seen. That's why I turned to Textergram, the AI-powered texting app that finally puts control back in my hands. Textergram lets me connect directly with my loyal followers and customers in seconds. No algorithm, no suppression, no waiting for the platform to decide who sees my content. The moment I post something important, I use Textergram to send a direct private message straight to the people who actually want it, informing them that I have posted new content on which platform. Now my engagement kickstarts instantly. My audience stays informed, and I am no longer held hostage by any platform rules. Bypass the algorithms. I control my reach, my engagement, and my community, not the algorithm. Try Textergram today. Visit the link in this video, use the special promotional code, and receive 5 complimentary gifts when you download the free app.